We truly unbox the car from inside and out.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we have got this box, right? And this box I have received around 2 weeks back, but I didn't got time to open it, right? So let's unbox it and I'll show you guys what is inside. Okay, so we have unboxed it from that shipment box, right? So this is a very cool looking F40, right? And I don't feel any card sound inside this, so I expect the card is not there and it's a new model, right? Because there are few older models around 2 years back they were doing the cards inside, right? So you can see the chassis number and all those things, and it was a very good initiative by Tarmac that time, right? Very innovative, but I don't know why they have stopped making this. So we don't have card inside, but we'll open it and see if we, I'm just guessing it doesn't have or it is having, right? So let's get into a detailed unboxing and I'll show you the full details, right? So this is our car, and let's unbox it and see, right, how it is from inside. It is wrapped very good. I like the packaging, how they have packaged it. I got it around for 2699 something, right? And the day before buying this car, right, you won't believe, I was just checking out one shop, local shop, right? And there they were selling this for around 3800, but later I got online very cheap, so I'm happy with it. So let's see the outer box first. It's Tarmac Ferrari official licensed product. You can see the model scale, right? Ferrari F40 red, and then some more badging and all, manufactured by premium and collectibles trading and all. See, but this is the important thing. Okay, and this is the collaboration with IXO models and Tarmac. So let's see if we have a card. No, no guys, we don't have any card inside. I was right, right? And this is from the Road 64 series, if you are wondering, right? Very beautiful acrylic box. I have one F40 from Tomica Premium, and that is having openable parts. Okay, look at this beauty. Oh my god, it is very good. The base is plastic, right? This base, which is that it is screwed on. One screw we have, and very nice car. We'll keep it like this only, screwed. Let me zoom in so you can see the better thing, right? Better. Okay, what is this inside? I think it's scratched, it's damaged. I think the hood is down. This windshield, right? This is damaged a little bit. I'm not sure whether it happened in the quality control or the shipment process. I'm not sure, but it is right. Let's ignore that for a while and see the other parts of this beautiful car. You see the beautiful headlights over there, a Ferrari logo, right? And the tires having Goodyear written on it. Some racing liveries over there, Coney, Brembo, OZ wheels. Look at the tire, look at the base it is standing in, right? It looks very good. So this is a racing car, if you're wondering, right? And there is a one-seater car only. It is, see the steering and all. The engine detailing is very nice. See, it is not openable, but it is very good. See the fuel caps over here, and if you go to the back, the tail lights are awesome. I like the Ferrari written over there. See the stance of it, right? Looks a very good Ferrari. I'm not sure what to do about this scratch. It's haunting me now. So there is an update, guys. I have to remove this. I don't know what it is. It is a screen windshield scratch, right? Or I have removed the screw. Now to remove this one also, I have one scissor with me. Let's unscrew it, right? And see what is it. That is it dust or it's a scratch, right? So I have almost removed this screw also, and there is one more screw, right? And let's open this F40 now, guys. Let's open it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Let me just put it aside. Look at that interior. Whoa. Look at that seat, right? How good it is. There is a Ferrari logo. The paint job is too good. Too good in this Ferrari, right? You see, there is a mirror to view at the back. This one, the tilted mirror, the cage, the engine detailing over there, right? And below is F64, 1:64 F40 GT. The base is plastic, okay, but what we were interested in is to see what is this. Okay, let's see if this got removed. Okay, it was dust, guys. So this got removed, right? Our windshield is clean now. Okay, our windshield is clean, but I'm planning to do some customization. I think there is a lot of customization we can do on this, right? So we can just unscrew it and see what are the things inside, right? But the body is of metal. Okay, I'll just clean it with some cloth and put it back. So this is all about the unboxing, guys. We truly unboxed the car from inside and out. So that's all for today, guys. We will meet in next video. Until then, stay subscribed, keep sharing, keep liking. Bye bye.